Helicoil screw thread inserts are another world-class product from Emhart Fastening Technologies. They justly earn their title since they have been a specified component on every U.S. space shuttle. They were first developed in the 1930s when the fledgling aircraft industry demanded larger and heavier aircraft. Designers had to use lighter, weaker raw materials. It became apparent that the tapped threads in these metals were not up to the fastening job expected of them. They quickly became damaged and failed. The solution was a tough stainless steel wire insert. The Helicoil screw thread insert was born. Thanks to Helicoil, a tapped hole can be made stronger than the bolt. In an ordinary tapped hole, the top two threads carry about 65 to 75% of the load. The rest of the threads are just hanging. The Helicoil insert provides a distribution load factor. Each individual coil carries its own share of the load. With Helicoil inserts on the job, thread life is dramatically increased, even after repeated assembly and disassembly, because the insert hardness and surface finish practically eliminate erosion of the thread form due to friction.